Did you know there are millions of unclaimed urns just sitting in storage across America right now? Some of them have been there for decades. Here's how it happens. Someone dies. They get cremated. The family is supposed to come pick up the urn. And then, nobody shows up. Maybe the family couldn't afford it. Maybe they didn't know. Maybe they just didn't want to deal with it. And the funeral home is suddenly holding a person in a box with nowhere to put them. Funeral homes can't just throw them away. Well, most can't. The laws are completely different depending on what state you're in, which means some urns get held for 2 years, some get held forever, and some accidentally end up in the trash because a storage unit got cleared out. There are warehouses with shelves full of urns, filing rooms stacked floor to ceiling. One funeral home in California held over 300 unclaimed remains at the same time. The paperwork of death just keeps running, even after everyone who loved that person is gone too.